Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to convert geophysical SIM to eSIM on iPhone. How to enable eSIM on iPhone. So first ensure you are connected to Wi-Fi or have a hotspot for internet access. Verify that email address is linked to your mobile number. So the steps are open settings, tap on mobile service and scroll down and select convert to eSIM. You'll find this option, convert to eSIM. Or you'll find an option add eSIM. Tap on it. Now what you have to do, double check the number to ensure it's correct and confirm your selection. So here is how you will do. You will convert your current SIM to eSIM. Simply you have to go to mobile service and you have to tap on convert to eSIM and that's it. Confirmation will appear and you have to confirm it. Wait for a few minutes while the eSIM is activated. Once completed, tap on done. Now the eSIM will now appear on your device. So that's it. Thanks for watching.